I'm at Creve Coeur Airport sitting in the car. There's some biplanes going by. There's a yellow one and a blue one. Just I'll walk up closer to the taxiway. I wonder if my light's on in my car since my door's open. Shut that first. There's a helicopter over there. Wonder what he's doing over there. Kind of a weird spot to park a helicopter on a grass runway. Might have to wait a minute to watch the biplanes take off. Here's somebody else taking off. Little white and blue plane. Let's see who's next. Somebody else is before the biplanes. Oh, little white and blue plane looks like he turned around. It's going towards St. Charles. It's going over 364 now. This plane in front of the biplanes must be going through his checklist. There's a white and blue plane. Can't tell he's white and blue from here. Oh, the helicopter's taking off. I'm out here because I'm waiting to go flying in the Carbon Cub. This guy's taking off. What's he flying? I won't know the name of the plane, I'm sure. But we can say what color it is. He's up. Looks like a little one. Looks mostly white with some lines. It's kind of windy. That helicopter's back on the ground. I was gonna see where this guy goes. The biplanes are still at the edge of the runway. Oh, he's turning too. It's going towards like Chesterfield or St. Charles, that way. St. Charles County. Oh, somebody else is taking off. Is this one of the biplanes? Or did we have somebody else in line we didn't see? The helicopter's just like hovering on the runway over there. We're gonna need that for the Carbon Cub in a little while. Well, this is not a biplane. Yellow biplane is moving forward. Somebody's up over the runway up there. Don't know what they're up to. But this light blue, dark blue plane is about to take off, it looks like. That guy's just flying over the runway up there. Don't know why. Just checking it out, I guess. He's doing some kind of circles. Wonder if the blue plane is still going to take off. He's going too slow to take off right here. The biplanes are moving. Blue plane is still on the ground. Blue plane turned around at the windsock, but the biplanes are up. Blue plane's sitting by the windsock. I flew in one of these biplanes one time. It was really cool. Second biplane, blue biplane with yellow wings is up. Well, this video is much longer than planned. Biplanes are still over the runway, going towards St. Louis, sorta. Blue plane's turning around, probably because that guy flew over the runway. Helicopter's still hovering over the grass runway. Looks like the biplanes are probably pretty hard to see on the screen. Oh, somebody's landing. Somebody just landed there, and then somebody's landing back behind them.